Kasama po natin sa mga oras na ito mula rito sa Santa Lucia Mall Bowling Center. Ito po ang uling coverage ng Sports Corner PH for the year 2024. Salamat po muna sa lahat ng mga sumuporta, sa mga nag-finance dito mga pagpunta natin. And of course, ito nga, nagbunga nga at nalito na tayo para dito sa Worldwide OFW Bowling Balikbayan Tour na sila sigawa dito sa Santa Lucia Mall sa Cainta Rizal. At makakasama po natin si Sir Christopher Ebrio, ang kanilang Pangulo ng Phil Bowler Al-Kubar sa Saudi Arabia. And of course si Dr. Jun former president ng ating federasyon na binubuo ng ating mga Pinoy OFW bowlers natin dyan sa Middle East. So good afternoon and welcome to Sports Corner. Welcome home muli sa Pilipinas.
Thank you so much. As an immediate past president of the Phil Bowler, usually we're having this OFW Balikbayan Tour every year. It's hosted by three Middle East, like Jeddah, it is FTBJ Bowling Club and UFTBR Abu Riyadh. And we, the Phil Bowlers of the Eastern Province, usually we alternate in hosting this event. I was an outgoing president, so I accepted this year's to host as we keep on passing it to the other as we are not prepared. Now, with our new president, Chris Hebrio, with the pursuit of our group, a new POO, we're able to push through this event. So Chris, what can you say with our 24th OFW Balikbayan Tour?
So 24th edition na pala ito ng mismong event. Kailan ito sinulan? 2000, no?
Yes. So the 24th, so it was 2000.
Okay. So Chris, ano masasabi mo muna sa kabuuan na itong event? Pangalawang araw pa lang to.
Yes, this is the second day of the tournament. You know, we are very happy that we have a lot of participants from different parts of the globe.
Majority of which are from Middle East, pero meron pa mga ilang mga OFWs na galing sa US, sa Asia countries na pumunta rin dito sa mismong so ilan kabuuan ng mga participants so far?
Right now we have a registered bowler of 130 players, but there are a lot of players also showing interest to join this bowling tournament. So this will be their chance, the last day their chance to join this tournament.
And of course, napakaalaga itong bowling tournament kasi alam natin pag Pasko, dyan umuwi sa iba't ibang panig ng sa iba't ibang panig ng mundo yung ating mga kababayan natin para at least makapaglaro, makapag-leisure because of bowling. Gaano ba itong kalaga itong event na ito para sa team camaraderie at pwede pa rin sila maglaro ng billiards kahit magbakasyon muna dito sa Pilipinas, Sir Chris?
You know, bowling is so different because you know it's very challenging sports, and this is a testament of the Filipino bowlers around the globe, their resilience and determinations of their families.
Okay, Dr. Joe, how unique itong mismong event po ito?
This event is unique because usually we do it during Christmas season. As we know, Filipinos like to be with their families during Christmas. And we do it after Christmas so that everybody can join. They can bring their family to Manila, even they're from the province, to spend the games. That's why we choose Chantalosia, at least it's in the mall. So the families or the wives can go shopping while the husband are playing, or sometimes both the wife and the husband are players. So they will enjoy the season.
Taon-taon naman, marami kayo nakaproduce ng mga top caliber talents ng mga Pinoy na pwede pala manalo sa iba't ibang mga local competitions habang nagbabakasyon dito sa Pilipinas. Isa na dito si Yuela Marcial na miyembro ng ating national bowling team sa ngayon, Sir June.
Yes, and we would like to note that this year's champion, he will be receiving 300,000 pesos and gold 20 grams of gold.
Tons of gold, no?
Yes, 20 grams of gold.
Grabe naman, may pa-gold pa.
Yes. Kasi kaming host, Saudi Arabia, marami kaming gold.
Oo, at napaka-duda. And of course, napaka-special itong tour na ito dahil ang main sponsor ng nasabing competition is the Philippine Sports Commission, headed by its chairman Richard Bachman, and of course our commissioner. Siya po ang in charge sa bowling. Walang iba kundi ang ating living legend, one of our greatest bowlers in the country today, Ma'am Olivia Bongku. By the way, nagkita kayo last time with Combong and of course she showed full support para dito sa tournament. What can you say sa support ng ating Philippine Sports Commission?
Yeah, the PSC is one of the sponsors of this tournament.
Ano masasabi niyo sa suporta ng PSC?
We are very grateful for their support.
And of course, si Combong, and alam natin, Matic, bowling legend. So, sure, meron kayong bibigyan ng recognition during event. And of course, si Chairman Bachman for their contributions na for this competition naman. So, Paguli, kamusta na ang ating Filipino bowling community sa Middle East? I'm sure maraming mga Pinoy na nandun. Regularly, napipicture natin sa Sports Corner PH ito. Pero, kamusta na overall ang ating mga Pinoy bowlers natin sa Middle East?
Chris can tell that because he's the one left there. I'm already back home and I retired. So
ikaw pala ay nag-retire. So, at least you still enjoy playing bowling kahit retired ka na sa paglaro overseas, no?
Yes.
Okay.
Because once you love the sports of bowling, it's part of you. We have one 83-year-old there playing and still can play bowling. 83 years old.
83 years old.
Yes.
Siyempre. Pero Sir Chris, itong 83, ayan yung nakikita nyo, yan yung 83-year-old bowler. At sino yung pinakabata sa list?
Hindi ko naman
Hindi namin matandaan kasi
there are lots of players.
Yung mga mas bata.
Maybe around 18 years old
18 years
because we also include dependents.
Okay. So, kumusta na ang bowling community dyan sa Middle East this year?
Actually, this year it's really difficult because we face a lot of ups and downs after the pandemic.
Yes.
Yeah, because the bowling fee is pricey right now. They have increased so much. The lane fee increased. So it's so difficult now to convince other Filipino bowlers.
And bukod pa rito, marami tayong mga nakilala na mga young stars na yon ng Philippine bowling galing sa Middle East, especially si Kenzie Rivera. Dahil na-feature ko siya lagi sa Sports Corner na nanalo siya sa mga iba't ibang mga competitions dyan sa Dubai. What can you say naman dito sa future standouts naman ng Philippine bowling galing sa Middle East?
Actually, we have really a lot of advantage in the Middle East because we have the GCC tournament because they are very exposed in this type of tournament, and they are also participating around in the worldwide
OFW Balikbayan Bowling Tour.
No, there's also
another one.
There's another one
World
also.
Overseas
Filipino Bowling Tour.
Yes.
And of course, lagi kayo sumusuporta din sa ating national team ng bowling. Wala natin kakalimutan. Of course, with the presence of Art Barriento, Sacramin, Mark Custodio, and the rest of our young bowlers. Maybe ipiplex nila ang kanilang skill sa bowling at who knows, baka makita natin na meron tayo ulit na World Bowling Champion. So naniniwala ba kayo, maybe someday, makakaproduce tayo ng isang World Bowling Champion ang Pilipinas?
Of course, because bowling, Filipinos love bowling. Not only here in the Philippines, all over the world, I think. Now, if the parents are bowlers, they're developing their kids to be bowlers also. Like Kenzie, the father is a bowler, their aunt and their uncles are bowlers. Now Hashim Gimongla's children are into bowling. These are the future young kids that we are aiming for them, and we are telling them to go to become member of our national team.
Okay, Sir Christopher, your thoughts muna din sa sinabi ni Sir June.
Yeah, I think it has already proven. Last time in Dubai, I think they got a bronze medal for the team, both men and women. The Philippine team, right? For the world tournament.
Yes.
And of course, naniniwala ka ba na kaya ba mag-produce ng isang World Bowling Champion Pilipinas,
Yes.
Sir?
Yes, I I believe so.
Okay, so bilang pagtatapos, ibitahan nyo po sila sa ating 2-day bowling, 3-day pala, bowling competition dyan po sa Santa Lucia Mall. At iyayain ng ating mga kababayan na manood dito sa ating competition. Please go ahead.
Yes, we are inviting all to watch the 3 days tournament of the Worldwide OFW Balikbayan Tour here in Santa Lucia East Mall Bowling Center. December 27 to 29, 2024.
And of course, pasalamatan din natin yung ating mga sponsors.
A heartfelt thanks to all the sponsors, especially the Philippine Sports Commissions, the LUCs, and all other sponsors.
Okay, Doc June, pahabol! Anong mensahe na lamang po, Panguli?
As an immediate ex-president of the Field Bowler, I thank for the present board of our BOO, headed by Chris, for pursuing this. And you can see we have a lot of participants and shows that we succeed in our bowling tour this year. So halina kayo, maglaro pa kayo, meron pa kayong chance makahabol dito sa Santa Lucia. It's not only bowling. Come and see some of your old friends from Saudi Arabia, the old and the new. Like yesterday, it's like a reunion of everybody.
Ayun, so God bless to the both of you. Good luck sa mga participants and congratulations sa kabuuan ng tournament. Maraming salamat po and Happy New Year sa inyo.
Happy New Year too and happy bowling.